Hello friends, welcome back to another video on business topics. Today, the topic of discussion is 5 ways to make money through YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, so just have to start and you get a quick response. Starting from the first one to earn money through YouTube is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, your goal is to influence people to purchase products you'll get a kickback from. The best part? You get paid when your audience purchases off the back of the video. It's a win-win for everyone involved, including your brand partners. Here are 5 popular types of content to try when promoting affiliate products on YouTube: trending videos, roundup videos, product review videos, tutorials. Here are some pro tips for affiliate marketing. Use eye-catching thumbnails, add chapter markers, optimize for YouTube search, create related playlists, produce YouTube Shorts. Moving towards next is ad revenue. How much earn from ad revenue? Of course, for thousands of YouTubers, the answer is nothing or very little. However, there are many YouTubers who make a comfortable living off their video channels. Now the question is, how can you earn in your channel's early days? You can sign up for an AdSense account and enable your channel for monetization from the moment you create a YouTube channel. However, in practice, you are unlikely to make any real money until you have built up traffic to your site. In reality, only a small percentage of your viewers will click on the ads surrounding your videos. If viewers do click on or view your ads for long enough to earn income, you share any advertising revenue with YouTube. You will only get paid once your AdSense account reaches $100. The next way of earning is channel sponsor. If you are looking for sponsorships but aren't sure where to start, the first step to getting a YouTube sponsorship is to understand what its sponsors are looking for: an established brand, personal, a similar target audience, quality content, low quality content, different target audience, and unclear and mixed brands can harm companies' sales. Companies don't want to associate themselves with other brands that don't have the same standards as them. Now moving towards the next, which is brand deals. Firstly, let me explain to you what is brand deal basically. YouTube brand deals are partnerships between creators and brands, sometimes referred to as brand sponsorships. Basically, any YouTuber can partner with brands to earn money online through their video content. Here are some benefits for you and the brand explained: an additional source of revenue and get access to products, including discount coupon codes to share with your audience or for giveaways. Products can spark new video ideas. Your audience can benefit from learning about new products and services. Can help establish your channel as an influencer and open career opportunities beyond YouTube. Now moving towards the next topic, merchandise sales. Merchandise is any product that is available for sale and purchase. Therefore, all the products that we see in a shop are referred to as merchandise. These include personal as well as commercial products. Many YouTuber merchandise channel owners do not sell their products. Instead, they recommend brand merchandise to potential customers. They are kind of influencers who have millions of followers on YouTube and all social media panels. You will direct the interested buyers to the main sales site, such as an online store, from the YouTube channel. Your earnings from sales will depend on how aggressively you promote your channel and merch. It is shown that, on average, a YouTuber with 11,000 subscribers will sell around 6 pieces of merchandise every month to accumulate around $70 or $840 per year. Hope you get to know much about the ideas on how to earn money from YouTube. See you in our next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.